Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Today we will be doing the Mr. and Mrs. tag. Seeing that we got such a good response from the husband tag, so we decided to do the Mr. and Mrs. tag. So in case you're wondering what the Mr. and Mrs. tag is, I will be asking some questions and then we're going to see who is most likely to do whatever the question says, if that makes sense. Okay, let's explain it again. So I'm going to ask a question and then we're going to answer who is most likely to do whatever question I ask. So here we go. Ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do this. Question number one: who is the most romantic? Yes! One for me.
I'm not necessarily agree, but
So if you
I'm
don't
not
agree,
too. Yeah, but I can't put mine because you're more than I am.
who is more likely to pull off a surprise? Ah! All right. Who was the first to fart in front of each other? Me?
You.
When?
I don't know. You. I don't remember me.
Remember, I was shy, so it couldn't be me.
You by mistake.
How is it me?
You.
How is it me?
It's you by mistake. No, I'm sure it's you.
I don't remember that, but he says it's me. All right, you can put it down.
Oh yes, you.
Who is the best cook?
Nah, no question. She is. No debate.
Who is the funniest?
I am. She's
You
not
guys.
funny. She's not funny.
Let me tell you,
You're too
my
serious.
husband is a clown at heart. If you only know how funny he is, it's ridiculous. He's funny. He cracks me up every day. He does some of the silliest things sometimes just to make me laugh. But he cracks me up every day. He's really truly funny. Alright. Who is the cleanest? You better.
No, I'm clean.
But
It's just that.
let me justify. He is not dirty. He's one of the cleanest and the neatest. Trust me, I have to give it to me when it comes on to hardcore cleaning. But when it comes on to organizing, I have to give that to him. So I think it's a 50-50 in this case.
It's just that why I give you and not me is
I should
because
put up both. I should put up
yeah,
both.
but I say you because when you, for example, you say we're about to clean a thing like this, is you do it straight. Me, I like to say okay, I do it after. Sit in a couch first, and
That's true.
I do it. But
He's clean and he
do it straight.
enjoys doing organizing. Sometimes I have to say, babe, what are you organizing? Everything is already organized and he's still organizing. Don't ask me what he's organizing. Say, babe, what are you doing? I'm putting order. Putting order in things that already is in order.
yeah, I can say exactly the same and you whenever you.
Well, all right, let's not debate. All right. Who takes the longest in the shower? Listen to me, y'all. when my husband goes in the shower, I have to go and knock him up out of the bathroom.
It's like, you know, when you shower and the hot water comes to your back and you just enjoy. It's just, when you shower, it's like 90% of the time you're enjoying the hot water on you, and 10% you're washing yourself. That's how it is. So I have to give it to me.
He takes forever to get shower. Tyler and I ready and waiting on hubby to come out the bathroom. Anyway, who is the best dancer? My husband cannot dance to save his life. But I teach him.
Next questions.
Don't worry guys, the dance video is coming and you guys gonna see him dancing. Alright. Who have the biggest sweet tooth? My husband will eat every chocolate, every sweet things you can think of. When it's dessert time, he is like a big kid. I cannot buy any Snicker to stay in this house for a week. He finish it in no time. He loves chocolate.
Caramel.
He loves caramel, everything. So
I like good things.
All right. Who farts the most?
True.
Who is the most emotional?
She cried for everything. She's like Tyler. She cried. She see the Lion King on TV. Choo.
Who is most likely to profess their feeling about something? Listen y'all, if something is on my mind, I am going to talk about it. And if I think something is on your mind, I am going to ask you about it for you to talk about it.
Yeah,
that's
but
just
when something
me.
is on your mind, first what she don't tell you is that she gonna stay 2 days not talking. 2 days not talking. When she feel about it, then she gonna talk. But at least 2 days. Give her 2 days.
Most likely to say something that they might regret after. How is that so? That is so you, babe.
That's
That
you too.
is so you. Well, he said me, I say him. Who is most likely to laugh at a serious situation? We will be in the most dangerous situation, the most dangerous spot, and he's just laughing like it's funny, and it's just get me all cuckoo crazy. He's crazy.
Take it easy.
He laugh for everything. You telling him, babe, I'm in labor, and he's laughing like it's funny. Oh Lord. Who is most likely to go to the store and come back with more than what they went for?
It depends what kind of store, but mostly is you.
I think that is so me. I go to pick up some chicken and I'm coming back with shoes. I can't help it, sorry.
She's going to pick up shoes and she's coming back with 2 shoes.
Okay, you guys, there you have our Mr. and Mrs. Tag. Hope you guys get to know some more through this tag, and if you guys enjoy, leave a comment down below, share this video and like, and if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave us, and we will see you guys in our next video. Bye bye bye.